Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you're new here, welcome and please subscribe for us. And if you are joining us and you have been here all through since I started this YouTube channel, welcome back. Guys, today I have an interesting video, and today you get to watch me. I have a video that I took opening up a microphone. So I'm going to show you that video, and it will be a voiceover video. So guys, enjoy and you will get to know everything that is found in that mic. I bought it from Jumia and it's okay, it's good. Okay guys, here is my video. As I was telling you guys that we are going to open up this package, and it's from Jumia guys. Yeah, they got the best things and cheap ones by the way guys. And this is a microphone BM8, yo, for good audios. You need this mic by the way guys. Yeah, and don't really take it for granted. This microphone is very unique, and you can use it using your phone, your laptop. Yeah, and it's a good one, especially when you're recording even music. It keeps your music very well. Your sound will be so perfect. Yeah, so let's open this package. This is how it looks. You can see everything, but let's remove one by one. That is a pop filter. Hata before itolewe, I guess mnajua ndo nini. These are USB cables, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, they are USB cables. Yeah, and this is the XLR. It's a mic cable. It's used to connect the mic to where you want it to go to. Yeah, it's a mic cable. You need to XLR. I'm not more of these things, but yeah, that's how it's called. Okay, this is a shock mount, and then we have a mic cover, which is just a wind filter, that is. Yeah, then this is a clamp, another cable. I think we didn't mention it. There are 3 of them, not 2. These are the earphones. You can use them on recording. Okay. That is the stand. It's a stand, baby guys. That's a stand. Here. Okay, that's a V8 sound card. And into our main thing, our microphone, and it's so pretty, baby guys. As you can see it, it's so pretty. It looks like a silver like. Yeah, it's so pretty because nimeipenda sana. Those are my papers, my guidelines. Zitanisha how to put it kwenye nitaiweka gai yenyewe mwalimu wangu wa kizungu tu. Anyway guys, yeah, so yeah. Yeah, these are everything that I've just shown you guys, and now let's remove them from the papers. Visible vizuri. I think you had seen the mic. That's the microphone. And this, as I've told you, is a V. It's not a V, it's a BM800. And yeah, that's the cover. Yeah, that's the cover. Yeah, hivyo ndo inawekwa. Ndo hiyo tumeka mic cover already. Yes, hiyo ndo nimewambia ndo nini, USB port. That's a USB port, as I've told you. Our 3 USB cables. Yeah, comes to this beautiful thing, pop filter. Hey, naziona tu kwa picha and they look so adorable and can't imagine I have it. This is a pop filter. Guys, just look at this pop filter. As you can see here, actually I'm demonstrating venye ziwekwa, but in this video sionyeshi. I'm not going to show after nimezi arrange or something of that kind. Yeah, those are the earphones, and then our shock mount ndo hiyo tunaitoa kwa paper. Achani mimi nijiringe tu. That's our shock mount, guys. Tunaitoa kwa paper, then we're going to put it, tutaweka the mic. Just after I'm just demonstrating when you're setting it up the way it's supposed to be, but I'm not going to show you a setup after nimesha set up. I guess it will be another video. Yeah, that's how it will look like after mounting it on your shock mounts. Yeah, and the filter inakuanga hapo mbele. Okay, that's our clamp. Yeah, and our stand, this adorable stand. And yeah, this stand is so beautiful. Yeah, when you una stretch to how you want it to go, then unai set up, you just stretch it vile unataka ifike and set it up. Yeah, enyewe I guess mmenielewa after all. Yeah guys, but don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, this is our Audi, no, that is our V8. Hii ndio inakanga sound, ndio una change the volume, unaiweka ikuwe mingi, una change the sound inakuwa another type of sound, that kind. Anyway, if I'm wrong, correct me. And that's our clamp. No, that's how it will be when you're setting it up. Yeah, that's basically everything. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.